If you're looking for a boat that can do it all, you have to check out Highfield's ADV9. Right now, we're gonna go through a walkthrough. My name's Ian Sneed with Southern Boating and Yachting. I wanna start off talking about the power options. Right here, you see two Mercury 300 V8 engines. There's multiple power options that you could have with this vessel, but I love the layout that they have for the outboards here because they put them right in the middle. You can see that they have whatever you need. If you like with water sports, you can tie up a line, but look at all the space that I have out here on this platform, and they have them on both sides. Moving forward, you're gonna enter this little cockpit space that is actually extremely versatile. If you're looking for the boat that does everything, this is definitely the one. You're gonna notice here, first of all, we have a table that you can see can extend on either side. You can see that there's already seating here. There's storage under this seat, but not only do you get U-shaped seating, you can have a full enclosed seating space here, like a conversation pit on this vessel, and there's still hardtop coverage for a lot of these seats. So to me, that is an incredible feature that you don't really see on a lot of vessels. There's cup holders all along. Moving forward, you're gonna find that this space here, right now, they have a live well with a sink, but you can also get a grill. So whether you want to use this vessel for fishing or you want to use it as a weekender, a day boat, or just to visit the sandbar, this vessel really can cover it all. We're going to move forward. You're going to see 3 seats at the helm. They have Mercury joystick control. It comes with a high Skyhook, which is kind of what we're using right now. They have a Seakeeper Ride, a charger, and a holder for your phone. All the switches that you need. You have different options when it comes to the multifunction displays here. Obviously, a very clear space. Right through here, this is the entrance to the cabin space. Highfield has a vessel with a cabin space. There's plenty of space on that bed, but there's also a head in there. So if you need anything, you're pretty set. Now let's move forward towards the bow area. This bow area is actually a European style bow. They have pads and cushionings that you can lay down here, so you can turn this into a sunbed. But you're gonna notice that there's a lot of space here for pretty much any activity that you want. You can lay out here, you can enjoy the sun, you can use it if you're fishing and the fight comes over towards the bow, you can move up that way and you're still gonna feel secure and safe. And then of course, it's an inflatable vessel. So you have the tube all the way around, which can actually not just provide safety, but it can provide seating too if you're just out enjoying the day. One of the things that I love about this is the fact that you have light right here that goes straight into the cabin. And they made an effort to make sure that there's a lot of lighting into the cabin. Also, after driving this vessel, I noticed that the controls are incredibly responsive. It's an incredibly smooth drive. But on top of that, when it gets to plane at really low speeds, you can get to plane pretty quick. But the way this bow is set up, it's so that the water doesn't really splash onto the vessel when you're hitting wakes. It's an incredible layout. And if you are interested in learning more, I'm gonna put a link in the description. Go click on it, check out Highfield's all new ADV9.